Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new kid to YouTube Kids. But first, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on the lock icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Enter your passcode. Tap on Settings at the right side of the screen. And at the My Kids section, you can add a new kids by tapping on Add New. Here you have to enter your password. Tap on Confirm. Type in the child's first name, child's age, and the birth month. You can choose a profile picture if you tap on that picture at the left side of the screen. Tap on the arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen and choose the content for your kid. The chosen one is the recommended content. Tap on Select. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!